So I use two different shampoos. I use one only for my roots, and that's the one where it's like for color care. And then I use a different one that's more moisturizing, kind of like from my neck down. I shampoo twice. What I do is first, I take quarter size amount. I rub my palms together and I start with the back because I figured like I sleep, that's where I get very oily, even though you see the oil more here. It's rubbing against the pillowcase, and so I start by like massaging the back of my head, and then front of my head, just like rub, and then sort of like this. And then I kind of like let it sit because I'm thinking like it's absorbing all that dirt and that oil. And then I do something else, and then I rinse it out. And then I get more product, go like this, and then I go like this, and I let it sit. And then the other side, add shampoo on my head, and then I take this, like this right here, and just like do this, right? Do this. It kind of mimics the fingernails of, you know, the shampoo girls, like the hairstylist that's shampooing your hair when you go to the salon. So I just do this like around my head, and it's so like, what's the word? It's so relaxing, you know. I feel like when I have a headache, when I'm anxious, like if you give me like a head massage, like that's the best medicine. It just like relaxes me. Like I have so much tension on my head and my feet. Like give me a foot massage, oh, I just sleep on the spot. So I like this. TJ Maxx, Marshalls have these. I like this because I kind of like clip it to the door handle of my shower door, like you see. This is like rubbery, so it's bendy, and it doesn't break because as I'm doing things in the shower, like I'll bump into it and it'll fall, and it hasn't broken yet. So I love this. Make yourself one of these. And then I condition, and I condition the same way. Like I condition just the ends, and then I put it up. And then what I do is I have in my shower, let me show you, but I have like wiry things. I don't like them on dry hair, but I don't mind in the shower. So I take it with, now my scalp doesn't have any shampoo, and then I take it with, and then I kind of like tie it a little bit, and then I do other things, and then I rinse it out. If I do a mask, I do that again, and that's it. Not every time. There are days where I just use shampoo and the cheap conditioner, and I'm just like out of here. And then there are days where I really want to kind of like pamper myself and look very nice. I kind of do all that. Masks are very important because, for one, they're more potent, they're thicker. That's why they come in smaller packages. Invest in a mask because you can spend money on shampoo and conditioner and not see the results that you expected. And then you get the mask and you're like, whoa, transformation. So if you're ever like on a budget, you don't want to be disappointed, don't super splurge on the shampoo. I had a substitute teacher in high school. He said that he worked for a hair product company, and he said that, you know, don't spend money on a shampoo because it just washes down the drain. Like invest in a conditioner because that's where they put the best. That's what helps your hair kind of like repair itself or whatever. The shampoo was like $40-50 and the mask is $60. Get the cheaper shampoo and just get the mask. That kind of stuck with me. So what I'm looking for in a shampoo is a shampoo that doesn't strip my color, that gives me that clean, crunchy scalp. It could be like a project. Just get like natural ingredients and do our own. I mean, we're gonna have small batches because, you know, it'll go moldy. Like I heard that beer is good for your hair. I heard that yogurt, I think, is good for your hair. Honey, oh, that would be a mess to wash out, but it's good for your hair. Avocado. I heard that even onion juice, like you take the onion and you boil it, maybe that's good for your hair. I wouldn't do that, but maybe I would. I don't know. If you tell me that an onion's gonna give me shiny, healthy, silky hair, I do it, and then I add this to neutralize the scent because this does smell good. If you have a student salon near you, like give it a try because A, it's not kids now. You see people of all ages, but they love cosmetology and they need practice. And I go there when I want like a blunt cut, like they can't screw me. So I don't go there for like color, you know, whatever. I go there for trimmings, and like if I wanted a bob, I wouldn't go there because that's a drastic change. But if I wanted like inches off my ends, I don't care. Like I'd go there. They give you like good shampoo. I feel like the shampoo is worth it because they just sit there and they just massage your scalp. It's very affordable. Mine is like $12 to get the shampoo, the haircut, and the blow dry. And they cut your hair, and then there's instructors or professors that come in and check their work, and always the instructor goes in and corrects mistakes. So yeah, if you have a student salon near you, give it a try. I would definitely recommend it for trimming. When I'm spraying it, because I take super hot showers, and I tend to wear something sleeveless or whatever because I don't want something like bulky. Maybe I shouldn't be saying this. Products sip through your skin and into your body. Like maybe not your bloodstream, maybe your bloodstream, I don't know. But like, be careful. I am okay with putting it in my hands, applying it, washing my hands. I'm very cognizant not to spray it on me, especially like your thyroid's right here, your neck, armpit, like breast. No, just spray away from your body. So when I'm spraying, I hold it like this and I spray like this. I don't spray like for it to like hit my face, my like chest, my arm. No, I don't do this. I do this, or I flip my hair and I go like this, like obviously not this part because this part like you can't really see, but I go. Oh, I was gonna say, again, with products and your skin being your largest organ, I'm just very conscious, and maybe it's a stupid fear that I have, but I definitely don't want products sitting on my skin. I try not to as much wear makeup, lotion. So when I'm in the shower, after I use my conditioner and my mask, when I'm about to get out of the shower, I take one of these brushes, put a shower gel, and then scrub my arms and my upper back, like scrub, because I don't want that conditioner or whatever. And I do notice that my back is like, it feels slimy, and it's like, why is it slimy? Oh, it's all that conditioner that I rinsed out of my hair, and it's just sitting on my skin, and I don't want to just like, even though I'm gonna have a towel, I still want it to be, I want my back to be super clean. I don't want any slimy products on my skin. Buy yourself, I think, again, TJ Maxx, Marshalls. This one is silicone-y. They have other ones like that have a little hairy kind of brush. That one I've noticed does turn bluish green. So get yourself like the silicone-y ones. You're not gonna see this. I think it's cleaner. It's easier to clean. So that's another tip.